Hi, this is All Day Mika, and in this segment of Soul Grow, I would like to show you how to correct a common problem on growing vegetables from seed, and that's leggy or stretched seedlings. So you started your seeds, and let's say you got really busy, or you placed them in an area that the seeds wasn't getting much light, and they began to stretch or fall over when you come back a few days later. Well, all is not lost. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix that problem. All you're going to need is a bigger flower pot, some good potting soil, water, and your seedling. All we're going to do is transfer our plants over into another container. We're going to start by 1 to 2 scoops in the bottom of the pot. And it really just depends on how long your stem is. You might have to move the soil around a little bit, but be very careful when you're removing the seedlings from the tray. Just be very careful when you're taking it out because they're very fragile at this point. And then you're gonna go ahead and come back with some more soil and just fill up the pot and cover the stem up to about a half an inch before it gets to your little leaves at the top. So hold the stem with one hand as you're filling up the pot around it with soil just to make sure the plant is standing upright. Now once we've got it all filled to the top, we're just going to go ahead and give it a good watering and find a nice sunny place for our plants to grow until we're ready to transplant it into the ground or into a bigger pot if you're going to do container planting. And I'm going to just go through this one more time. Depending on the size of containers that you're transferring your seedlings over into, you could put 2 to 3 at a time. It just really depends on the size of your container and what you're growing. Once all of your plants have been repotted, find a partially sunny place for them to grow until you're ready to transplant. Thank you for watching Soul Grow with All Day Mika. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for the update on how our plants is doing. Thanks.